It saves on costs, it saves on having to employ more staff, because if I didn't have this program, I would have to have probably 2 admin people with me. But there's no way that I'd be able to do the volume of work that we do.
We've turned an unprofitable operation into a profitable one, and we've probably had a reduction of 4 full-time equivalent in terms of headcount. It's reduced our overhead by as much as 20% and massively improved our accuracy. It's been a massive win for us.
When I first looked at the program and you knew in the background that CartonCloud was doing all the invoicing for him, that comes true every Monday morning. I wake up, I know what I'm doing, I know the costings are captured, and I know it's correct.
What CartonCloud has enabled us is to take a business that was losing money and actually turn it into a business that's making money and is self-sufficient and relatively easy to run. And we did it, and we didn't miss a beat in doing it.
It's given us the ability to get as big as we possibly can. So for me, it's a no-brainer.